Okay, so I am back at the place with all those carrier performances and comforts, and for some reason one of the performances has been replaced with a little comfort series. It's got a newer data sheet style. And now here's this comfort has been here. Nothing's changed here. That must be the only new unit. This one's got a Copeland scroll. 2012. This one is like my cousin's. This one's got a Copeland scroll too. It's from 2012. This one's data's in the back. I'm not going back. It's super quiet. This has got a big motor. It's a Gentech. And this is another little comfort. Data's in the back. That's R410A. And then down here, the one in the back appears to be a new performance. A brand new performance. If so, that's very surprising. Here's another performance. Gentech fan motor. This is a comfort. Another performance. Carrier. This one is a performance. That was a comfort. And this one appears to be brand new. And that top is really white. It's interesting. It's got a newer swept fan blade. Weird looking motor. Gentech. Where's the data? It's packed in there. Alright. Here you have some more carrier performances at another building. These ones I think are older, but this one is from 2014. It's actually newer. This one right here, this one's a tall one. It's a Comfort Series, 2014. And then over here we have some base models. This one is running. Putting out some heat, there's tape on it. Where's the data? Year. This one is from 2008 and it's a 36,000 BTU.